something strange is happening behind the scenes at Samsung, something that could quietly upgrade how your phone interacts with your daily life. It's subtle, it's smart, and if leaks are accurate, it's rolling out sooner than we expected. Welcome back, viewers! James here! Don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your fellow Galaxy fans, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. Let's jump straight into it. One UI 8 is already in development. Yes, even though One UI 7 hasn't landed on every device yet. Samsung's moving fast. And while they haven't officially confirmed which models will get the update, we've got a reliable idea based on Samsung's usual update policy. So, if you're using a Galaxy S25, S24, or even an S20, you're in the likely zone. Foldable fans, you're not left out either. The Fold 6 Flip 6, and even the Z Flip 4 are expected to get it. Same for mid-range A-series devices like the A54, A30, A15, plus a long list of Galaxy Tabs and M-series phones. The rollout could begin as early as late July, just in time for Samsung's next foldable flagships, the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, to ship with One UI 8 pre-installed. But here's where things get more interesting. Samsung is secretly testing a brand new feature called Now Brief, a potential game changer for how we use routines on Galaxy phones. Recently uncovered in the Modes and Routines app, this feature lets you create custom cards that appear at specific times and do specific actions, like launching apps, changing settings, or even sending a message. Imagine your phone showing a "Work's Over" card at 5 p.m. every weekday. One tap, and it opens your favorite transit app, switches on battery saver, and sends a "Heading home" text. That's not just automation, it's convenience redefined. You can also tweak the look of each card, choose icons, titles, and messages. Set a focus time card that pops up every evening to silence notifications and open your reading app. It's like having a personal assistant, but visual, programmable, and totally under your control. The catch: it's not fully functional yet. It currently only works in Korean, and during testing, the cards didn't actually appear, hinting that Samsung is still working out the kinks. But the fact it's already baked into the app signals one thing: it's coming, and probably with the One UI 8 update. Meanwhile, some unexpected changes are hitting the beta builds. One UI 8 Beta 2 might remove the predictive back gesture. Yes, that preview animation when you swipe to go back, it only worked in Google Apps anyway, and while earlier test builds showed Samsung expanding it to more apps, it's suddenly missing from the latest beta. Maybe they're reworking it. Maybe it's gone for good. Either way, it's a bold move. And there's more. The One UI 8 beta program is expanding to more regions. If you're in India, Poland, or any of the Wave 2 countries, you could get access soon. Plus, with Beta 2 already live in Korea and Europe, it's only a matter of time before the floodgates open for more Galaxy users. So what's the big picture here? One UI 8 isn't just a polish, it's a preview of Samsung's vision for an even smarter Galaxy experience. And while we don't have an official changelog yet, features like Now Brief and the evolving gesture system point toward deeper customization and tighter integration with your day-to-day life. The rollout timeline. Based on what we've seen with previous versions, late July or early August seems likely for the first wave, especially with the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 launching around the same time. And that means older models could get the update faster than usual. All in all, this update may not look massive on paper, but under the hood, it's quietly reshaping how your phone fits into your life. Let me know in the comments. What feature are you most excited about? Would you actually use Now Brief, or is it just another gimmick? That's it for today. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay techie, stay curious, peace out.